Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at one of the most powerful image generation tools available right now, Nano Banana by Google. The Pro version can produce incredibly realistic images, while the standard model currently allows unlimited generations, even though its quality isn't quite on par with Pro. In this tutorial, we'll explore all the ways you can interact with this neural network and see what it's best suited for. Here are some examples of images you can create with Nano Banana. The neural network can generate digital avatars, diagrams and schematics, logos, interior design visuals, and much more. Let's get started with image generation. First, let's select the image creation mode and double-check that the Pro version is enabled. Paste your prompt, then wait a moment. You can analyze this example prompt and adapt it for your own creations. We get an outstanding result. The quality of this image is high, all the text is legible, and the AI independently generated icons that fit the context. An image like this can be used in documents, shared on social media, or created as a custom piece for someone else. However, most people are much more interested in working with photos of people. Let's upload this image and ask Nano Banana to create a similar picture where both women are standing at full height. For a modern neural network, this isn't a problem, and we get exactly the picture we need. This feature allows you to create a wide variety of content, even when starting with very little source material. You can generate shots not only with people, but also with products. Let's take a closer look at these photos. Notice how the entire environment, clothing, and details have been preserved. You might think these photos were taken just seconds apart. Let's try a more challenging task. Imagine we have a photo of a woman, but we want to change some elements of her outfit, for example, 2 items from our brand. In this case, we'll replace her top and sneakers and see how realistic the result looks. As you can see, Nano Banana correctly replaced the top and sneakers on the first try. Most importantly, the rest of the elements and the environment in the original photo remained unchanged. This is an issue many modern neural networks struggle with, often unintentionally altering parts of the source material that should stay untouched. It's also worth noting how seamlessly the new clothing has been integrated. The textures, shadows, and colors all look highly realistic. Now let's ask Nano Banana to act as an interior designer and help us visualize how a room would look with different furniture. The idea is to replace the cabinet in the photo, making it from other materials as shown in the reference. This time, the neural network doesn't quite grasp the request perfectly, and the result differs significantly from what we had in mind. Typically, such issues can be solved by refining the prompt or simply generating the image again. However, we've run into another issue. The free tier has run out of generations using the Nano Banana Pro model. To continue using the advanced model, you'll need to wait until the specified time resets. That said, we still have access to image generation, completely unlimited. Yes, some prompts may not be processed as well, but truly unlimited generation remains the key advantage of working with Gemini. Let's test the capabilities of the free version. We have a photo of a woman in athletic wear. Let's try keeping all her facial and body features while placing her in a different setting and changing her outfit to a dress. Nano Banana handles this without any issues, and the resulting photo looks very realistic. Next, I generated dozens of images, creating a full-fledged photo shoot for this woman using artificial intelligence. The neural network easily places the model in different cities and seasons, changing her appearance along the way. If something doesn't turn out right or the result is poor, you can simply regenerate the image and refine it. Currently, Gemini does not limit our attempts as long as we use the fast generation method. What's particularly noteworthy is how you can write prompts for the neural network. Nano Banana easily understands natural human language and delivers the expected result. Often, you don't need to write extremely detailed and lengthy prompts. However, if the outcome isn't satisfying 2 or more times in a row, it's definitely worth making your prompt more detailed and trying again. By the way, there's another way to access Nano Banana. Google AI Studio. This is a rather unique tool that generates images without automatically saving them in the chat, unlike Gemini or other neural networks. Instead, images must be saved to the user's own cloud storage, otherwise, they'll be deleted when the page is refreshed. For most beginners, this approach may be less convenient, especially since free access to Nano Banana Pro is still available in the familiar chat interface. Still, it's worth keeping an eye on updates and limits. It's quite possible that some users will find it more beneficial to use AI Studio. Plus, AI Studio allows you to switch between models and adjust generation parameters very quickly and easily, which in some cases can save a lot of time. In this video, we've explored one of the best image generation tools available today. We've covered the key differences between the standard and pro versions of Nano Banana. Now, we can create informational cards and diagrams, digital avatars, edit specific elements in photos, and even craft entire photo shoots for characters. All of this can be done for personal projects or offered as a service to others, paving the way to monetizing AI skills in 2026. Additionally, images generated by the neural network serve as excellent foundations for creating realistic videos. Often, it's difficult to find suitable real-life footage as a base, but Nano Banana solves this challenge completely. However, that's a topic for another lesson. Thank you very much for watching.